Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to do exercise 9B of your book D1 Maths 7th edition, and the topic is rate, right? So we must know about rate first. What is rate? Rate is basically comparison of two or more quantities, two or more unlike quantities. Mean in contrast to ratio. In ratio we have studied that we compare two or more quantities having same units, right? But in rate we deal with unlike terms, with unlike quantities, right? In rate we compare two or more quantities, but the quantities shouldn't have same kind, shouldn't have same unit. Is it clear? So question number 1, part number A of exercise 9B, you can see a typist type 1800 words in 1 hour. Find the number of words that she can type per minute. Is it clear? What is given in the statement? In the statement it is given that a typist can type 1800 words in 1 hour. Your data is given in form of or, but the demand is you have to find the number of the words that she can type per minute, right? Data is given in form of hours, but you have to find out the time, you have to find out the number of words that she can type in per minute, mean in 1 minute. So you can see that there are different kinds of the time is given, different kinds of units are given, right? Hour and minutes, right? So I will write in statement number of words. What is given in the question? Number of words a typist types in 1 hour. Right? Number of words a typist types in 1 hour, 1800. Right? 1800 words she can type in 1 hour. And what you have to find the number of words that she can type per minute. Right? You will calculate number of words a typist type per minute. Number of words per minute. You have to calculate in 1 minute how many words she can type. You have to find this, right? So what we do, you have to find this one. Okay, we all know that 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, right? If she can type 1800 words in 60 minutes, then you have to calculate that how many words she can type in 1 minute. What we will do? 1 minute mean. What you will do? You are moving from larger to smaller unit. Hours into minutes. Hours into minutes mean you are moving from greater to smaller unit. And we know that when we move from greater to smaller unit, we divide. You have to remember this rule that when we move from greater to smaller units, we divide. So this 1800 will be divided by 60. Why 60? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So when you will divide it, the shortcut way to simplify it, 10 with 10 and 180 when it will be divided to 6, 1 times 6 and 6 3 times 18 and this 0, 30. It's mean the typist can type 30 words in 1 minute. Is it clear? Okay. Now I have taken question number 1, part number D. If the mass of a metal which is 3.25 meter long, you have a metal and that metal is 3.25 meter long, and the mass of that metal is 15 kg. Find its mass per meter. Per meter mean mass for 1 meter. If mass for 3.25 meter is 15 kg, you have to find that what is its mass for 1 meter. So what is given in the statement? Mass of the given is mass of 3.25 in long bar mass of 3.25 in long bar is equal to 15 kg, right? And what you have to find? You have to find mass of 1 meter long bar. Mass of 1 meter long bar. Per meter mean 1 meter long bar. Okay, again you can see that you have given the mass of the metal, which is 3.25 meter long bar, is 15 kg, right? And you have to calculate for 1 meter. This is 3.25 meter. Again you can see that you have to calculate for 1 meter. So you must remember that when we need to calculate for 1 meter, right, what we do? We do division. Mean 15 kg will be divided by 3.25. We have studied these type of word problems in our junior section, that when the more quantity is given, right, the value for more quantity is given and you have to calculate for 1, right, 3.25 meter long bar mass is given and you have to calculate for 1 meter. So definitely we will divide. We are moving from greater to smaller, right? So if the mass for 3.25 meter long bar is given and we need to calculate the mass for 1 meter long bar, so definitely we will divide 15 kg by 3.25. So I will simplify it. And what is the way to simplify it? If I remove decimal from here, 3.25, it will become 325, right? So when we remove decimal, what we do? 325 is written at the denominator. So what it will become? At the place of point, I will write 1 at the numerator. And how many digits are there after the decimal? There are 2 digits after the decimal. So 2 zeros will be here. If your decimal number is written at the denominator, then definitely you will remove the decimal by writing at the numerator. Mean you will put under the decimal 1. And then you will count how many digits are there after the decimal. There are 2 digits after the decimal. So you will write 20. So 3.25, now you can see 15 into 100. Yes, when it will multiply 1500 over 325. When you will divide 1500 by 325, you will get your answer 4.62 kg. Right?